Boys, just stop. Just stop. You need to cool it, all right? All the flirtiness, all the gifts, all the nice stuff that you're doing for women to try to impress her, you need to stop. See, all men should stop trying to impress women. And here's why. Number one, everybody is doing it. See, you need to understand that when you're dealing with a girl that's pretty or popular or whatever, you have to know she has 10, 20, 50 guys doing exactly the same thing, giving her all the attention, giving her everything she ever wants, all in pursuit to try to impress her. So she has an abundance of this. So, and adding another guy to a list, so making it 51, is not going to make a difference and is not going to give you your desired results. And this is why, number two, you should know that this is just a futile pursuit. There's going to be absolutely no gain from all the effort and energy you're pouring into this, because the chase never pays off. See, all women want is attention. When you just give them that attention without them earning it or working for it, they're not going to see it as valuable because they already are getting attention from 50 other dudes. So now 51 is not going to make a difference. What does make a difference is when she's looking for attention from a specific guy. And from that guy, that's the guy she's going to work for. That's the guy she's going to put an effort for. And when that guy does give her attention, she'll value it. Number three, it's also just inauthentic. See, when you try to impress her, what will you do? You'll study her. You'll look at her social media. What are her likes? What are her dislikes? Where does she hang out? You literally try to mold yourself into a version of what you think she would like. It is pointless and a huge waste of time, and it's also inauthentic. You need to understand that women need to like you for you without you having to waste your time into molding into an ideal version of what you think she would like, which this consequently rolls us on to number four. It's a huge waste of time. See, instead of pursuing and trying to molding yourself into the best version of what you think she likes, why not taking all that extra time and investing into the best version of what you would like to see yourself to be? See, this does two things. One, it's going to make you happier and more satisfied because you're achieving every goal and doing everything that you actually want in your life. What ends up happening is that when you invest this much time into whatever your craft is, whether that's music, sports, business, arts, school, I don't care what it is that you want to focus in, but you put in all your focus into being the best version of that, you're going to end up scaling to becoming more of a high-value dude where women naturally will gravitate towards you. Usually, the top 1 to 5% of all the dudes in every single industry, these are the high earners. These are the guys with bigger social circles. These are also the guys with more skill sets and more knowledge that are more entertaining. And these are the type of guys that most of the girls are begging for their attention. See, instead of dumping all your time into her, dump your time into yourself, and now you won't be giving her your valuable time willy-nilly like the other 50 dudes are. Now you are the dude that she's begging for your time, and the little bit of time that you do give her, that she's gonna value. And this takes us on to number five. You're gonna make more money. You heard me right. You stop chasing women, you're gonna make more money. Or at least your chances of that are very high. One quick example is, this is evident. I don't know if there's a scientific study for this, but you know damn well that you have more money in your bank account when you're outside of a relationship than when you're in a relationship. All the gifts and the dates and the vacations and the flowers. Bro, I'd rather just buy some Tesla stock. I know that's not gonna break my heart. Well, actually, let me correct myself. This last correction did leave some emotional damage from the stock market, but I know it's going to bounce back. I know it's going to be there. It's not going to cheat on you, and it's not going to look attention elsewhere. And here's the important part. On top of factoring in all that extra cash that you're going to have instead of dating that you can invest into yourself, you also have to factor in what I just talked about. You're also going to have an excess of time when you stop chasing women, and that's the time that you're going to invest into whatever your craft is, perfect it, and of course, you're going to end up earning more because you're going to be an expert in whatever field you're focusing on. Boys, these are 5 reasons why I believe men need to stop chasing women. And if you notice, all 5, once you stop chasing, that's when they start coming. Boys, that's it for me today. See you next time.